Hey, my friend Daniel here. We're diving into the myEcon compensation plan and overview of their products. And if you watch this video all the way through, you're going to have a really good idea of how much money you can make with myEcon and also how simple the compensation plan and products, what you actually get for the money actually is. So let's go ahead and dive in. There are three enrollment options when you are getting started with myEcon, and they're really simple and easy to understand. Okay, you have your elite business membership, which is your $100 join point, and then it's $60 a month to maintain after that. You have your financial success membership, which is $40 to join, and then $40 a month to maintain active after that. And lastly, you have a discounted financial success membership, which is a $20 join, and then it's $40 a month after that. Very simple, very straightforward, three levels to come in at. Now, here's what you can earn for personal commissions when someone joins you at the three levels, okay? So if someone joins you at the $20 level, you make $17. Someone joins you at the $40 level, you make $35. Someone joins you at the $100 level and you make $70. Very simple, easy to understand. So now let's talk about team building and what your team will start to look like as you get going. So your first generation is everyone that you personally sponsor. Your second generation is the people that they sponsor. Third generation, and so on, right down the line. And this can go down through infinity. So now let's talk about the day that someone joins or when they come in the door, what not only you get, but also what you get as an override as your team starts to grow. So I just shared with you the $17, $35, or $70 that you get. So you can see right there on the graph, generation one, that is what you get when they come in the door. Down on the bottom, those double asterisks, if you bring someone in the $20 level, you get a $17 commission. So far, so good. Pretty self-explanatory. And you can also see the different columns, FSM versus EBM. That's basically a $40 per month member or a $60 per month member, okay? So generation 2, 3, 4, and 5, you can see what you get for an override. So in other words, if I sponsor Catherine, if I'm an Infinity, which I am, if I'm an Infinity and I sponsor Catherine, I would earn $70. And then if Catherine turns around and gets another $100 sales and Catherine sponsors Bob, when Bob joins, I get $10. So if you look under the Infinity column under EBM, I get $10. Now, if Bob turns around and sponsors Mark, when Mark joins, the day that he joins, I also get $10. So these are the bonuses that you see on your screen. The day that someone joins, what you get paid out that day. So for your personals, which is generation one, and then on down. Now, where it gets really lucrative is once you get up to infinity, and I'm going to explain here in a second how to rank up to gold, platinum, and infinity, and it's actually quite simple. You can see that these bonuses can pay out really well. And picture once you get to infinity and you're now getting paid through infinity, you can start to make a lot of money all on the day that people join. Now, let's move on to the next slide and talk about what you get every single month when these people renew. So on this slide, most of the information remains the same, except for the numbers change around a little bit. So again, if I'm an Infinity and I sponsor Catherine, the next month when Catherine goes to renew as an Infinity, she's renewing at the $60 level because she's an EBM, okay? Now, when she renews, I'm going to get $11.20. If she were to renew at the $40 level, okay, I would get $8. So you can see how that works when they renew. And what you get for your personals is also what you get for your overrides on your second, third, fourth, and fifth generation. If you are an Infinity, that can literally pay down through an infinity. And now you can see where the extra money comes in for the CEO infinity. So, okay, you have your EVP infinity, which is that first column on your left. And then you have your CEO infinity, which is obviously the column on your right. So you can see every single month when people renew, this is a very, very lucrative comp plan, and you can make even more money. Now let's talk about how to rank advance in myEcon, and this is really simple. So once you enroll, you will be called an EVP, okay? That means that you have no sales, you haven't done anything, you are an EVP. Now, in order to get to gold, which is the first leadership rank, you need 2 personally active enrolled associates, okay? And you also need to be an EBM, which is also known as the $60 per month membership. Now, you can upgrade at any time. or you could come in at the $100 level and you could be at the $60 per month membership level. Okay. So that's gold. To get to platinum, you need 2 personally enrolled active members. Okay. And 15 active associates with no more than 5 on one leg. So this pay plan really encourages you to go wide, which is also means, personally sponsor more than just 2 people. You want to sponsor at least, I would say, about 6 people, and then start drilling down and working with those team members to drill down and build those legs out. Okay. Now, Infinity, 2 personally enrolled active associates, pretty simple and easy to do. And then 100 active associates on your team, no more than 40 on one leg. So realistically, if you're even a little bit of an action taker, it is very easy to get to Infinity. Back when I was promoting myEcon back in 2018, and yeah, I'm back and excited about it. It took me literally only 6 months to get to Infinity, and I'm sure if I were to do that all over again, I could literally get there probably in about a month. Okay. So now CEO Infinity. Okay. So again, 2 personally active enrolled associates, 300 active associates on your team, no more than 101 specific legs. So again, this is where the myEcon compensation plan encourages you to go wide and work with multiple different legs versus putting everybody in one leg. And of course, on all of these, you have to be at the $60 per month level. So that is how you rank advance. Very straightforward, easy to understand. Okay, so now let's talk about the products and services that myEcon offers at the different levels. So if you're at the $40 per month level, which is the $20 join point or the $40 join point, okay, you're going to get the following products and services available to you. The income shifting tax strategy, how to give yourself a 10 to 15% raise on your paycheck with your job. My credit system, which is simple, how to repair your credit. You're going to get access to the cash flow manager, which is an app that you could use right on your phone, and you can manage all of your personal finances, take pictures of your receipts, record all that information. So come tax time, doing your taxes as a business owner is very simple and easy to do. Debt elimination software. Well, pretty simple. You're going to learn how to reduce your debt effectively, do it the right way, start in the right areas so you could start trickling down that debt and putting more money back in your pocket. Investment education training. This is how you can learn to make your money work for you. Follow along the easy steps, apply what they're showing you, and start watching your money grow. Now, at the $60 per month level, which is joining at the $100 join point, okay, you're also going to get what you see above. Plus, now you're going to get access to the Zingo Travel Club. And if you don't know anything about travel engines, especially travel engines, when it comes to making money online, business opportunities, almost all of the other, network marketing and affiliate marketing opportunities out there, they all use the same travel engine. It's just white labeled for their specific opportunity. And it is very similar with myEcon, except here's what you need to know and some kind of inside information that you need to know and understand. With these white labeled travel engines, there are different levels that the specific company like myEcon can pay for to make sure that you get the maximum amount of discount. And myEcon is paying for that highest level of membership, which means for you, you're going to get the biggest discounts possible, which is up to 70% off of retail prices. With that travel membership, you also get 110% price match guarantee. So meaning if you're shopping for flights or hotels or cruises or whatever it is, and you find a cheaper price elsewhere, your travel membership is going to beat that by 10% and literally give you a paycheck for the difference. So pretty awesome right there. You can also earn points towards future travel. A lot of other travel memberships don't do this. myEcon does. You're also going to get ID Defender, which is, if you've ever heard of LifeLock, where you can basically put a security system on your social security number and personal information. So it's a great way to ensure that your personal information is locked up nice and tight and secure, and it gives you a great peace of mind. So that is your myEcon compensation plan overview with the products and services that you will get at those specific levels. Thank you for watching, my friend. Hopefully this was clear and easy for you to understand. If you have any questions, go ahead and send me a text message. Don't be afraid to drop a comment down below. And if you made it to this point in the video, go ahead and get started. Link in the description down below, or you can go to the link right at the top of this video and lock in your position. I don't know what you're waiting for. If you're still thinking about it, it's literally $20 freaking dollars. You can't go wrong with myEcon, and an unbelievable opportunity for you to make a lot of money from home. Also, if you want to see what we do as the funnel team, which is one of the fastest growing teams inside of myEcon right now, link in the description down below. Go check out what we do and the thousands of dollars in free value we will give you just for becoming a myEcon associate. And trust me when I tell you, it is much better to be on the inside versus standing there on the outside looking in. See you on the inside in just a few minutes.